Thank you, Mrs. Biswas and Devananji. Ladies and gentlemen, now without taking any more of your precious time, I would like to invite Professor Abhay Karandikar to kindly welcome our honorable guests on this momentous occasion and share his address.
Honorable Chief Guest, Professor K. Vijay Raghavan, our distinguished alumnus and Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India, respected Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, Chairman, Board of Governors, IIT Kanpur, members of the Board of Governors, members of the faculty, staff, students, institute fellows, recipients of Distinguished Alumnus Award, Distinguished Services Award, Young Alumnus Award, and Satyendra K. Dubey Memorial Award. Ladies and gentlemen, I heartily welcome you all to the Foundation Day celebrations of the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. Let me first begin by congratulating all the awardees of Distinguished Alumnus Award, Distinguished Services Award, Young Alumnus Award, and Satyendra K. Dubey Memorial Award. I would also like to congratulate Institute Fellows who are being felicitated today. The last 6 months have been truly extraordinary times that we have witnessed. The COVID-19 pandemic has caused widespread disruptions. At IIT Kanpur also, our academic and research have been disrupted in a major way. Even though the times are extraordinary, it is yet again the time of the year when we celebrate the foundation of our esteemed institute, our alma mater. It is for the first time that we are forced to have a virtual ceremony on the occasion of the Institute Foundation Day. I am indeed saddened that we cannot host all of you on our beautiful campus to celebrate this momentous occasion. Certainly, we are missing the eventful get-together and interactions that we used to have. As you all know, the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, was established on 2nd November 1959 under the technical assistance of Kanpur Indo-American Program, KAYAP. It was declared to be an institute of national importance by the Government of India under the Institutes of Technology Act. The institute's formative years were guided by the visionary leadership of passionate educationist, Professor P.K. Kelkar, as the founding director. The strong foundation set forth by his vision continues to shape our path. Despite the fact that this year has been extraordinary in every sense of the word, the team IITK, comprising of its outstanding faculty and dedicated staff member and students, continues to work hard to translate the vision of our founders to a reality. As you all know, due to the ongoing pandemic situation, academic sessions on the campus are disrupted, similar to the conditions all around the world. Several proactive measures were undertaken to ensure that the disruption in the middle of the semester in March 2020 did not hamper the academic activities. Like all other educational institutions, we also have to resort to remote teaching even in this semester. Professor T.V. Prabhakar and his team have pioneered the development of MOOCit online platform, and this platform is being used for remote teaching by a large number of IIT Kanpur faculty. It is rightly said that difficult times test our strength and togetherness as a community. Since the teaching had to be shifted remotely to online mode, some students with a difficult economic background needed to be supported with laptop and broadband connections. In an attempt to achieve the same, One Alumnus, One Student fundraising drive was launched. I am indebted to our generous alumni all over the world who have contributed to the cause immensely. In this whole crisis, the most affected are our research scholars and postgraduate students whose work entirely depends upon the experimental facilities inside a laboratory setup. In order to keep up with the time lost and in an attempt to facilitate working conditions, Institute came up with a detailed plan for bringing our postgraduate students back to the campus in a phased manner. The first set of about 265 students have already arrived on the campus, and the next batch of around 222 students will also arrive soon. Further, I take this opportunity to share several initiatives that are being undertaken to strengthen our institute's academics in the long run. A proposal for e-masters in specialized areas such as data security, financial engineering, telecom, data analytics, that are perceived as emerging areas or that are in acute need of retraining has been approved by the Academic Senate. Our Senate has also recently approved the formation of a new department of cognitive sciences. You will also be glad to know that we are also considering proposal for the formation of one more department, namely Department of Sustainable Energy Engineering. Engineering technology innovations have been life-saving in medicine and healthcare since time immemorial. IIT Kanpur envisages bringing together the expertise of engineering technology, biomedical research, and clinical setup under a single umbrella to create a one-of-its-kind medical school and to produce outstanding professionals trained in state-of-the-art engineering technologies who can meet the profound healthcare needs of our country. With great pleasure, I would like to let you know that our Board of Governors recently approved the proposal to set up a super specialty hospital with medical research centers on the campus. We are undertaking multiple measures to increase the faculty strength. Following are some of the steps that are being undertaken: leveraging alumni networks to attract the quality applicants, increase the number of adjunct faculty from industry and leading universities abroad. A new cadre of faculty called Professor of Practice has been introduced to promote the industry-relevant research. And finally, we are also undertaking, several initiatives to make the campus and the institute attractive for the young talents to join the institute. Prevailing pandemic has led to widespread economic disruptions, plunging the country into economic recessions. Despite the tremendous challenge posed by this pandemic, the scale of contingency measures taken by the Indian government has been phenomenal. In response to the appeal of our Honorable Prime Minister of Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat for making our country self-reliant during COVID-19, faculty and researchers of IIT Kanpur responded with resolute by coming up with several innovations and research projects in a short span of time. Various challenging R&D projects, including the development of a disinfectant chamber, positive pressure respiratory systems, PPE kit, oxygen concentrator, nanofiber-based N95 mask, and several other R&D projects were undertaken. However, the most challenging of them was developing an indigenous mechanical ventilator by a consortium of IIT Kanpur faculty, alumni, industry experts, and our incubating company, Noka Robotics. The story of IIT Kanpur ventilator has shown how innovative medical products can be developed in India with passion and commitment. Apart from innovation and technological initiatives that are the hallmark of IIT Kanpur, the campus community also came forward to help the needy plight during these difficult times. In the last 5 years, the innovation ecosystem at IIT Kanpur has become one of the best ecosystems in an academic setting with several unique contributions and bagging multiple awards both at national and international levels. I am confident that the upcoming years will witness further growth and success. IIT Kanpur Research and Technology Park, Techno Park at IIT Kanpur, celebrated its first Foundation Day on 2nd March 2020. I am delighted that in a short period, Techno Park at IITK has established a considerable degree of success. So these times require strategic planning to raise funds substantially for the overall development of the institute. I am pleased to inform you that the Board of Governors of IIT Kanpur has approved the formation of the Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur Development Fund to be a Section 8 company under the Companies Act. The primary objective of IITK Development Fund is to provide a corporate and professional environment to effectively raise funds from alumni, corporates, trusts, foundations, and well-wishers, and to foster long-term and sustainable relationships with the patrons. I'm glad to let you know that our international collaborations have grown by leaps and bounds in the last years. In just 12 months, we have signed 11 MOUs with the leading international universities from Japan, Taiwan, USA, Finland, Australia, Jordan, Russia, Scotland, across multiple areas of academic and research collaborations, students exchange, and joint degree program. Rice University and IIT Kanpur have set up Rice IITK Collaborative Center, a one-of-its-kind center aiming towards impactful collaborative research in the area of sustainable energy, material science, water, and alternative fuels. IITK La Trobe Academy has been set up with the La Trobe University of Australia to create a globally recognized center for research in health, food, and water security. It is my great pleasure to reiterate that even with all the challenges during the pandemic time, it has indeed been an eventful year. My heartfelt congratulations to all the respective institute fellows and awardees of Distinguished Alumnus Award, Distinguished Services Award, Young Alumnus Awards, and Satyendra K. Dubey Memorial Award. Undeniably, the outstanding IIT Kanpur alumni, with their spectacular achievements in various fields, continue to hold the institute's flag flying higher and higher. With the hope to meet you someday on our beloved campus when things return to normal, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.